Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Thunderbird tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to automatically delete your trash when you exit Thunderbird. It's pretty simple to do. First I open Thunderbird and as you can see I have some messages in my trash. Now I want them to delete it automatically. How do I do that? First I click on the three bars in the upper right corner and select Account Settings. Here I switch to the server settings. And under Message Storage, I find Empty Trash on Exit. I set a check mark and the setting is now active. Now we test this by restarting Thunderbird once. And when I switch to my trash now, you will see that it is empty. And the setting works as it should. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.